Hello SmartBotsLand friends! In this video, I would like to talk about all versions of a SmartBotsLand panel. We have two kinds of admin panel. One of them is public for all, and the public plan has 4 versions: free, shell, pearl, and island. And the other one is for managing subscription bots. Let's get into it. As you can see, this is our website address, SmartBotsLand.com. And if you click on pricing, you can see more details about pricing. They are the same in features, but they are different in the count of features. Let me explain more for you to get fully understand. For all kinds of versions, we have offered you 7-day free trial. It means that if you want to buy shell version or pearl or the island, you have to sign up first, and we will offer you 7-day free trial, and after that you can buy these 3 versions. Shell version is the same as free version, and you can manage just one bot in free version and shell version. As you can see here, bot number for free is 1, shell 1, but for pearl 2, and island 3. And you know, if you click on all these plus buttons, you can see the differences between all the versions. We don't have any limitation for user numbers in all versions. For example, if your group or channel has 2,000 members or 3,000 members, it doesn't make any difference between all the versions. And here you can see uploading and file management. If I click on it, you can see upload files via bot. For free versions and shell version, you can just upload 200 files, and pearl and island is different. But the good news is that we don't have any limitations for the number of files that the users send to you. It means that you can just upload 200 files in the panel, but your users can send you unlimited number of files. And the other important tip is that you cannot downgrade from a higher version to a lower version. For example, you cannot downgrade from pearl version to shell version. So choose the version that responds to your needs. Okay, done. I said all the tips about the public versions. Now, second type, admin panel for subscription bot, which it is unique. If you click on the special bots, you can see subscription bot for Telegram channels and group. Subscription bot and membership bot is the same. So I click on it. And if you click on pricing, for subscription bot, we have 1 version, and you can buy this for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. And the features and the count of features in all these versions are the same. While you register in the panel, you can use 7-day free trial by default and use all the features, and after that you can upgrade your panel. Subscription panel in appearance is same as public version, but the difference is that you don't have a store and locator finder here, and you don't need it for subscription plan. So thanks for being with us as always. Have a good time.